This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion is the 10 largest market capital stocks in the United States, the 10 largest market cap stocks, market capitalization stocks in the U.S. And I find this fascinating to see who's up, who's down, where people are at. This year, companies like NVIDIA and Tesla have just jumped the rankings as they've gone up. NVIDIA 188%, Tesla 130% or so. They've just jumped the rankings. So here's where we're at in the top 10 or so companies. Apple's number one at right about $3 trillion. Not that far behind Apple at about $2.4 trillion is Microsoft. Remains, a cash driver and a huge market cap company. The third largest market cap company is Google, which continues to print money in the search business. There's always challenges, there's always tests to it, but they continue to print money, continue to do great with it. Fourth is the major retailer, Amazon. Amazon's both this e-commerce business, it's a movie studio, it's Prime, it's also Amazon Web Services, which is a huge part of their value, but Amazon's number four. Fifth is probably the surprise this year is NVIDIA, which is down last year, is up almost 200% this year. NVIDIA is number fifth in all market cap companies. If you look at all these companies, this is the one I'm not sure if it'll be there forever, but who knows? Sixth, and NVIDIA is just taking it to Intel, Samsung, and other chip makers as it's focused on more premium AI, more complex chips. Sixth is Tesla. Elon Musk with the great rebound. He's having this fascinating battle right now between Twitter and Threads with Mark Zuckerberg. It makes for really interesting watching if you're a business watcher, business rivalry watcher. But Elon Musk, Tesla number six, what a resilient bounce back they've had this year and a great second quarter. Seventh is Facebook Meta Platforms, Mark Zuckerberg, another leader who's had a tremendous rebound this year and is back to sort of their core business and doubling down on things adjacent to their core. Now it's Threads, which is their Twitter alternative, or Instagram. Instagram is crazily popular. Facebook's a little less popular than it used to be, but they keep on focusing back to what they're great at, and they're getting better and better at it. Eighth is the conglomerate built by Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. That's the eighth largest company, is Berkshire Hathaway. Who would have seen that coming? Finally, ninth is Visa, fintech, merchant services, et cetera, et cetera. Visa's number ninth, old school company. It is what it is, still rocking it as ninth in market cap. And last is 10th is United Health Group, which is down this year 10% or so, but still number 10 in market cap. United Health Group is, I think, the fourth or fifth largest company in the country by revenues. Walmart's number one, Amazon's number two, Apple is, I think, number three. United Health Group is fourth or fifth or sixth, depending where ExxonMobil is in any one day. But they're 10th in market cap in a humongous company, and continuing these big healthcare payers take a piece of almost every dollar in America, some small slice, and so it leads to a very big business. Again, fascinating to see these 10 big market cap companies. When I look at these companies, Berkshire Hathaway, Visa, United Healthcare, have been around for 30 years each, or whatever the number is. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, NVIDIA, Tesla, Meta Platforms, those first seven are not old line companies. Those are not 30, 40-year-old companies. Probably a lot less than We'll check our dates on those pretty soon. But amazing what these companies have accomplished in sort of this mix of technology and the technology age and so forth. But fascinating. Those are 10 top companies by market cap. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast.